What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different. Right now, I just paused my pre-market huddles and I'm about to record what it is to be with me live as we're trading. I'm just first going to give you guys my overall daily bias. Market hasn't opened yet, so you can relax. It's currently 9:21, but I just wanted to do a little bit. Maybe I might start doing videos like this. You guys tell me if you like it like this or you just like it as a recap. But I'm really gonna record myself live. Hopefully, I'm able to get a good price action for today, and you guys can see how my brain works, how my whole strategy works. This is a way that it'll be like, okay, if you're with me live and I was here giving you advice, this is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. This is what I'll do, and hopefully, my alarm just went off because it's currently 9:22. Yup. Luckily, I'm awake, but you know, right now I'm just posting my phone broke, so I gotta record this off my iPad. My stuff. So hopefully you guys are able to learn from these, and who knows, So I'll first start by giving you guys my bias. Let's actually get home. Let me close all my tabs. I don't want nothing weekend. Close all windows, open. All right. So by the looks of it, I'm really expecting for us to go up. Hold up, I haven't showed it yet. Okay. By the looks of it, I'm really expecting us to go up. On the 1 hour and the 4 hour, we are still bearish because we still have not closed underneath. I need the closure for me to convince myself. 1 hour, we're going up. 4 hour, we are more than going up. I'm thinking that we might even end up down here to this 1 hour low, then go up. That's what I'm expecting. And if I'm able to get here like to a first TP by then, by the time we swing up, I'll likely let my stuff ride through, because one thing I've learned is that if you are already in the price action by the time FOMC goes through, a lot of times it might be the right price action. So if I'm buying and you know, I might actually leave it through. You feel what I'm saying? I might actually leave it through today. Hopefully, maybe I might get the amount. Gosh, if I can get that amount, gosh, oh, literally all I would need. I might even put this at 4,007. 4,006. I don't know. I just don't. That's all. Just in case. Because actually, how much do I need? I only need 4,005, bro. I'm going back to 4,005. But if this can, who knows? If we're able to get this much, hopefully we'll be able to pass some of these accounts. I have a second account that's already funded, like apart from these 5, so I don't have to worry about it. I don't need to really go that much, but I'm thinking we're gonna sweep this. Obviously, we're in a 4 hour for value gap. We might come to this 1 hour low. Might enter this 4 hour for value gap even more, and then swing up. Throughout this, you might see some people walk in. You might see me get some phone calls, and I'll just play it. And a lot of you guys will not even know what is going on. So let's see what happens. I'm really gonna start market. I've already prayed for the morning. As you guys know, I'm Muslim, so I've already prayed my Fajr. If you guys ask for God for guidance for this, you need the guidance. But after that, I always take my ashwagandha. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. I need this. The only way I can execute like a robot is with this. I'm gonna keep it a beat. This helps me a lot. I've been trying to like take myself off it, but each time I try to take myself off it, I have psychology problems. So right now, till I reach my prime, I think I'm not gonna get off this. I'm taking this seriously till I get to my prime. Then my prime, I'm gonna slowly try to take myself off it, because obviously I don't want it to be like, I don't want to have to rely on it, But I'm gonna take 2 of these. I prefer this because I like the gummies. I hope this is not too loud for y'all. I like my gummies, so hopefully this is something y'all can take too. Unless you guys want the pills. Personally, I'm gonna stick with the gummies. That's the only way I can take my vitamins, if they're gummies. So we have ashwagandha by Goli. Pop 2 of these. And then, because I'm on a diet and I'm trying to also maintain my metabolism, I also pop 1 of these. B complex. Trust me, it doesn't taste bad. It's just very sensitive. Pause. don't know why my mouth looks like it's ashy, but I don't like that. Okay. I feel like this might be a very long video. Very, very long. But I might cut it in between just to make sure that it's just not too long and it's a lot very like seeable, doable. Get some lotion. Okay, who ready? Let's get to these markets. Let's get this bag, man. Let's get this bag, man. Let's get this bag. I'm telling you, prior to this, let me just give you guys the quick rundown to all those guys who don't understand my strategy. What I do is I use liquidity pools and I use liquidity lines. You have the session lows, you have the session highs, but when you get to high time frame fair value gaps, those are what I like to call session pools, meaning that might be enough to have a reversal. So as you guys can see, we are in reverse. We're on session pools that can get it, like not session pool, liquidity pools that can cause a reversal upwards. All I need for it to do is to happen to be in one of these after market opens, and as you can see, we are basically right there. So I think we, as far as liquidity, we've already grabbed it. I would prefer for us to grab this as well. Grab this, then we need a 5-minute break of structure. You're gonna see that. You're gonna see me wait for that. And for it to be a break of structure, I need a green candle, and basically to close above right here, this wick. Understand? Then after that, we are going to look for continuation. All on 5 minute. We don't do that 1 minute over here. All on the 5 minute. So, you say it with me. 5-minute break of structure. We need with liquidity sweep. Overall liquidity sweep. We are basically within liquidity. After market open. High time frame liquidity pool or high time frame liquidity, or I'll say session liquidity. Sweep on that. Then we need a break of structure on the opposite side of the liquidity that was hit. Break of structure, then you need continuation. It can either be an inverse fair value gap, but my inverse has to close above it and come in and go out. That's the way I do my inverse. Like this, for example, I would need for this fair value gap, for example, this 5 minute right here, I would need for it to, gosh, this thing's getting so clustered. Close above it, then go in it, then close above it again. Then I'll take it. You understand? You're getting me now. Fair value gap, simple fair value gap, or breaker block, or order block. They will take that B. We'll take that B. I ain't gonna lie to you. And we will long it all the way to the nearest highs or the nearest liquidity pools. As you can see, you have a high here, no liquidity pool on the 4 hour or the 1 hour. So this is really the price action we're looking for. Let me adjust my second chart just so everything, oh, it is aligned. Yep. Okay. All right. Market opens in 20 seconds. Okay, let's go get this bag. I really think the way I drew it up is gonna happen. I really kind of do believe 5 seconds is gonna happen. 2, 1. Okay. Liquidity has been swept. Now we wait for 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes and let's see what's happening. Now, let me do my other things, because that's the thing I like about being a 5-minute trader. I don't gotta be like this. I gotta be like, the only time I'm like this is when I'm waiting for continuation. I need to play some music for myself, for my own mental, because that's the best way for me to get through this. I know some people are gonna call me, some people are gonna walk into this room. You'll see it. Clear. I don't want another timer. If we can get a quick price action prior to, like, before all this market open and everything, that's what I would really hope for. One thing I do is I do everything with music, so But that's the thing though, I don't want to get copyrighted once this actually is monetizable. You know? Hold on. Lights coming on. Connect my charger. As we await our breaker structure. It might happen now, it might happen later. We just need one. One breaker structure. That's the thing. So my phone is broken. Let's see. It's not looking bad right now. But I'll show you guys, like, you see it's cracked. See that right there? I can't literally touch anything. So I'm gonna have to go fix that. On one day, it actually messed up my psychology one day. So at least my phone didn't break today, so it's not like it just happened. But there was a time where it broke, and when I tell y'all, it truly did mess my psychology up. Hopefully we can get a breaker structure here. Is this gonna be what it's going to be? Because if this is what the trade is going to be, the exact same thing I told you guys right before it opened, I'm all here for it, like, truly. Let me wear a hoodie. It's cold, you know the snowstorm. We just had a snowing. Are we going great today? We are going great today. But don't let this thing confirm, because I will take it. I will take it. I will genuinely take it. Let me see. One thing I also like to do is see, all these 1 minute traders, what would they have done? So 1 minute traders, what did they have? They had liquidity sweep, they had breaker structure, and then they had, what have they had? I don't know what they've had. Is this going to be order block trade for them? If this gets like a boom. We're also going to go on Instagram and stuff. We're going to see what some other people have to say. Ooh. That may be a 1 minute trade right there. If it closes outside of this, take that. Let's see. Go long from here. But like, where would you long to? Just like break even here, or like break even here. Maybe TP there, I guess. No live at market open, going live 30 minutes before interest rate decision. So TGR is not going live. It didn't close out. It closed. It's still within. It didn't close outside of it. If it closed outside of it, then it'll be like, take that trade. And it'll say to me, she's a chooser. Like, oh yeah. Get me off the. That's the thing. Can't be having 1 minute. We don't like 1 minute for real. Alright, let me play some music for myself. Y'all, if y'all don't know this song is hard. The heck is going on? Lights coming on again. I'm gonna lie, I need to take my PC to go get cleaned. It's so dirty. Yeah, I would prefer to come sweep at least these. For sure. What did it do? Let's see. Was it 30 minute or something? You know, the 1 minute traders like to always do something. Always pull. They like to pull liquidity out of their ass. If there's one thing about 1 minute traders, I'll tell you. They like to pull liquidity out of their ass. I like for it to be wider, meaning my risk reward can be a lot better. I'm looking more forward for like this type of thing. I think something like this is gonna happen. I wish. I wish, brother. It's been a minute since I've had one of those type of trades. Are we gonna inverse both of them? That'll be wild. 20 minutes to open. I truly think it's gonna be here that we'll have a reversal, but that's if it gets there. Because as of lately, before before it used to just be like one set of like reversal, one set of liquidity for reversal, but as of lately, it's been a little bit wild. There we go. Can't hear nothing. Oops. There we go. So right now I'm trying to. I would prefer. Hold on, take this off. This has nothing to do with me right now. I would prefer. So liquidity's been hit, as we can see. Liquidity's been hit. We're in liquidity pools. We have enough amount of pull for reversal. Right now we are looking for it to close above this. Hopefully we'll have enough gap that will also go up a little bit here, and then with that third in like 10 minutes it will come in, hit this fair value gap, then shoot up, and then guys we'll get the long going through. So this is what we're looking for, something like this. This will be the stop loss for sure. Then maybe something like this. Then we'll go uno dos. I ain't gonna lie, I'll do two right here, and then I'll let this B go right here. I doubt it. I ain't gonna lie, I just need this type of price action. That's the truth. I need this type of price action. $26.12, they want to know the meaning. Need a reason. But 9 times. The one thing I told you guys about this upcoming week is I'm not placing no trades. My strategy is placing the trades. The moment my strategy comes up, I don't even care. It's just being placed. Boom. It's actually exactly where I wanted to close, to be real. It's literally exactly how I wanted to close. Come on, give me some space here. All last for nothing. Come on, not that up. Not that up. Come on, not that up, not that up. Not for this candle. Okay. And we'll need it to close above this by 10. That would be the best type of thing to see. 5. Chase shot, then I died. It's all good. You will see me run past. No lesson. Pre-fair value gap creation. Pre-fair value gap creation. We don't want to hang with these new. Oh my gosh, I ain't gonna lie to you. This might be one of the best price actions I might have seen in a minute. This might actually be one of the best price actions I might have seen in a minute. And with this, genuinely, like, if it does exactly what I expect it to do, come back into this fair value gap and respect it, I personally, what would be best is if we can get this wick to come down just a little bit more to make our a lot tighter, because right now it's really based off of this, because we'll have to go in and close out. So if you can come in here, gosh, please just do it. That's all I'm hoping for, because I can't use the breaker block. The order block and breaker block is just too tiny. Like, oh, this song's a banger. I ain't gonna lie, we are very close to. We are very. I ain't gonna lie, it's been time before, like, last couple of days, times before we've gone this close before we get to a potential price action. Boom, boom. No op is a particle. We really did that. This is active. Like, damn. I make it to a UK. Come on, do not close that. That'll be. We still have the inverse for value gap, so if it chooses to close it, then that's something we'll do. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm nervous because this really is. That means this is what we're taking. Oh my gosh, this is too much. This is way too much. But I guess so. Holy, this might be the most. Okay. Okay. We needed to close above here within this 2 minutes. That's the only way we can use this as continuation because it's kind of burnt now. The fair value gap has been burnt. You see, this is when you see price action just likes to be very like nasty, bro. Like I completely doubt that this is what we're gonna take. But if it does, we're ready, Sha. We just if it closes within this, then we'll have to wait again. But if it closes above this, just right here, it's like about 21 contracts. Went from 80 to 21. I was nervous with that 80. I was about to say. So it's looking like 20 contracts about potential. We're getting ready to click it, but we still don't know. We're waiting for confirmation. Right now, it's just bugging. It's just truly bugging. We didn't close outside of this, so we don't have the breaker block yet. Let me move this so I don't get confused. That Melly on the road. Phone call coming in. I hope he did not do this. Yo.
Bro, I messed up.
You took it off the inverse?
I did, but that's not even how I messed up. Well, yes, that is how. Well, that's not the thing. I thought that your maximum loss limit, right? I thought that it's like your end of day balance. So what your thing is at the end of the day, not like what it is during the thing. So when I moved the thing and it went down, bro, it ended my shit, bro. I lost it.
You lost your account?
Yeah, I still have my combine, but I lost it, the express funded one.
Yeah.
I didn't know that's how it worked because the thing is, although it was coming down, like I know that this shit is going up. Like I know it's gonna go up. I know it's just like a spike down,
Bro.
and I wanted to put it under a break of structure, like a 5-minute break of structure. So
Bro.
that was what I did. I put it under a 5-minute break of structure, and I thought that. Like,
oh, you didn't have enough room for that.
Yeah, I didn't have enough room for that. But I thought it was end of day balance. So if your thing is at that point,
I thought it was end of day too.
That's what I thought too. I swear they said that.
Damn.
Yeah, but I lost the account.
It's okay. You have another account. We'll cruise from there.
Yeah.
We'll cruise from there.
That.
It's because of things like this. That's why I said it has to go back in and come out before I can use it, bro. I was waiting for it to go in and come out, but it didn't. Like, now I can't use it because it's inversed twice both ways.
It inversed twice.
So I can't use it. Now I have to look for a different type of confirmation. I wanted a fair value gap. The shit just went to go close the fucking fair value gap, bro. That had potential. Now I have to wait for another type of confirmation.
Stop. Let me just go on my combo.
Wait, did it stop? That means it stopped you out on your thing. Your combine too?
It did. It stopped me out just because
of the copy
It
trading.
closed on the leader. Otherwise, it would have stayed open on the combine. But
Wait,
the
are
issue
you
with the
longing? Are you
combine,
longing now? Just because like now is
you
a
know the
better
thing,
position.
it's almost like I lost both accounts because the maximum loss limit, because it closed at the worst point for the thing. The maximum loss limit on the combine is 291. And now that I know it actually cannot go under 291, bro, how am I supposed to trade with 291? You feel me?
You're just gonna get in your accounts.
Bro, it's like I have to, bro.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, just reset this account because no matter what, it's going to blow. So there's no point. Just reset this account.
Fuck it. Oh my gosh. I fucked it on a trade that is gonna ultimately go my way. That's the craziest part.
Damn.
Fucked it.
But if you're gonna do it, just do it quickly before we get a confirmation, so you don't miss out to begin your stuff.
Let me see if I just.
It's okay. Me too. I've reset some accounts.
Bro, I was too close to be doing just bullshit, bro. I was last week I was supposed to take a payout. Fucked it at the end of the week, and this week I lost it on this. I lost on one big day.
How much did you lose on the trade?
1,009. 1,009.
Gosh, I'm gonna need like how many more candles? I need like 4 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to get a flipping continuation.
God damn. I have plans for my payout too. God damn it.
It's okay, baby. Just wait a little longer. The thing that, bro, especially knowing how much money we were supposed to have made this January, sick, isn't it? That's why I'm not playing. Like, for me, the moment my stuff comes, I'm taking it. The right
Why
way.
did it have to come back down, though? I feel like, bro, you broke structure, you inversed, you even broke 15-minute structure as well.
I can't lie, it was really pointless.
Like, it broke 15-minute structure as well. I want to see if I can try and do something, though. If I can, by luck, enter at just the right moment of pressure on the 291 one, it's possible that if it does not pull... Wait, I need to remove this from Copy Trader.
What you can actually do, you just buy a new account and just make it that your subscription for the one that's about to blow does not, like, come back. Like, you can cancel
is that how it works?
Yeah, you can do that. So you end up having to, because it's the same price. You end up having to, and if you're able to save this one, you're able to save this one.
Let's see. Because this one is already 291. I wouldn't be able to.
Oh, you already got the new account?
No. See, but this one is not doing what the other one did.
I think because that one was that. I think that one is
because it's Express.
Because it's Express, yes. I think it's different.
So this one is actually like end of day.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, if that was the case, I would have even waited small for real confirmation. I just was trying to gamble.
Bro said at this point, just take the accounts if you want to.
I said if I could get at least 1,000, like increase the 291 to 1,000, I can work with that.
It's okay if you're already in position. I think just don't leave because we are still expecting it to go up. And I think the only type of confirmation that can happen is above here. It can't be under here, because here is all these stupid type of candles. We don't have any setup for VI gap or inverse. This quadruple inverse you can't do nothing with it.
And do you know the thing? Like where I moved my stop loss to, it didn't reach there because I knew it was gonna come back up. It didn't reach there, so I just was trying to make the trade more, like, yes, more risky because it's more risk, but more conservative, being where I placed the stop loss. Because I placed it. I wanted to place that near the sweep, but I didn't know that's how the maximum loss limit works. I genuinely thought it was end of day. The way this one is, genuinely thought it was end of day. It's the
Oh,
rule that caught me.
part of me thinks I'm gonna miss out on this. I can't use this for value gap no more. This is it's been disrespected. Like it's been beaten and broken.
I just started again. Why did fucking funded account? Oh yeah, this one does the same thing.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. This one does the same thing. But I was not 290. Wait. Or fares. Yeah, I guess I don't know how they calculate it. If they use also the
Fees.
one you already lost for the day. Bassett, I'm back at square one.
Bro, there are a lot of things when it comes to January that we messed up in. That we genuinely messed up in. And I was able to realize that. Find out where your faults were.
And they all came after getting funded, I'm not gonna lie.
You need to figure out what your faults were for January. I know what my faults were. I was not moving like a robot. That's the truth.
I'll buy the account tomorrow.
Oh, you're not gonna trade today?
Already, like my mental's already
Fucked.
Sorry, I need to. I cannot believe I've done this. But that's the thing that's even funny with the reset thing is like it's the same price as buying a new one. So why do they even give the option for the reset?
Really and truly.
I don't get it. I did payouts. I was eligible to take payouts. Last Friday, I should have just taken my freaking 2K, my 2.2. Would have bought 3 more accounts.
You were able to take 2.2 thousand?
Yes.
At what points? I thought you could only take out 1,000.
No, it was 1,500 USD.
Oh.
That's how much I could have taken out on Friday last week. Before we made that bad trade.
That was a very bad trade that I took.
Set brokerage, what's this?
Let me see. I'm gonna go on Instagram and see what other people's been doing.
Oh, Top Step is starting their own brokerage.
What you mean?
Like you can trade your live money with them.
Oh. I would love that.
I confirmed that I am a U.S. resident and understand it is only currently available to U.S. residents. I'll do it as a business. Fuck, man.
Top Step, let me see.
Buy tomorrow. I have a payout coming from Amazon tomorrow. I'll just buy one. 300 fucking bucks. Honestly, there was nothing I could have done with the 271. So if I try to reset it. Reset this trading account. That's so weird because it's the same price. If they made it slightly cheaper, even discount, it would make sense. But it's literally not. Literally not anything.
Oh, 10. Where did it close at 10? Within the fair value gap?
wonder if it really truly does go down, even below the liquidity sweep. That means I was just overall fucked today, no matter what. Don't even feel like going to class again, and I have 2 classes today. Just cannot be ass. I cannot. I did do that.
Oh. So let's say you go a whole month and you pay the next subscription fee. Some steps will allow you, if you're not eligible for funding, they will allow you to reset it.
Yeah, but if I buy a new account, I have the same new 30 days.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's the same thing.
It's really, truly the same thing. All this just to get 9,000. Oh, wahala.
My whole goal was this next payout that's even... I thought I was going to be able to put the whole thing back into business. I'm going to have to take out 300 for this and just for a little bit of life in general.
Yo, I'm chilling. Yourself?
I'm chilling. Are you in trade?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
No. Are you?
I mean, I'm not trading, but I thought you would have been in a trade.
In what trade?
For long.
From with what? What continuation?
Inverse fair value gap.
Which inverse?
This one right here.
You remember I told you like
if it closes below, it doesn't count.
I said it has to go. Well, it has to close above it, then go in and come out.
Okay, so it
went over and closed. So
okay,
it's completely just
okay.
It's completely out the way.
Okay.
I wanted to use that, but it didn't do that.
So what about this one right here? Is this
what?
Because of this okay, never mind. That's not an order block or breaker block.
No, it's not. It needs to come out, then come back in.
Out, yeah. So
right now I'm trying to see if I can find continuations, sure. That's what I'm looking for.
What do you think is going to be your continuation confluence?
I thought we were going to get a fair value gap, but the way it's looking, I don't know if it's consolidating because of news or because news is going to come out, FOMC, around here. But like this is one of like the most serious news out of all the news that be happening. This one really makes the market go like boom.
What is this?
I just drew something. This is what I drew that I thought will happen.
Oh, I thought that was a moving average or something.
No.
No problem. Makes sense. When I drew that inverse fair value gap and I saw that it closed below, I was curious. Would Basta say this doesn't count?
Yeah, it doesn't count. That's why I went and back tested when I realized I was like, okay, first I can't just take it based off the fair value gap.
Yeah, inverse fair
value.
Because if you did it from the long, you would have been in a trade.
I would have lost.
Yeah, you would have lost the trade.
I would have lost because my stop loss would have been about here. It would have wicked me. I would have lost my trade.
Yeah, makes sense.
The wick is here. Man, just give me. I'm saying. What I'm looking for right now is Just a quick. Then I'll be apart. Truly, if there's no reversal off of this, then that is the only thing. Like, it's gone. It's gone through all those fair value gaps. Now, it went all the way down to the 1 hour low, touched the 4 hour fair value gap, touched the 1 hour fair value gap. There's absolutely no reason at this point. If it chooses to disrespect it, then there truly is no trade for today.
As far as what I can predict, that's the only thing I could possibly predict.
But I did say I would like for it to actually come down this much. So let's see if we can find something from here. If anything, me looking at like price just go down this much, I think FOMC is gonna make it go up. Cause one thing
I don't know about NAS because FOMC is probably just gonna talk about how the economy has been pretty hot. Like, think about all the news that we got throughout this month. They were all like good. So like, they're not gonna. It's not gonna come with a rate cut.
Like,
and
for something I've noticed is that whenever FOMC comes out, it always happens to like the results we get. It is also like it kind of trends with the market. So if it's gonna go up, prior to it going up, it will be going down. Then boom, it just goes up with the news. Like right prior, I've noticed that. That's the only thing I can say I've noticed with news. Let's see if we can get a breakthrough structure here. As you guys see, personally, I'm counting today as a no trade day. We only just straight displaced downwards. We didn't have any reason to have a short bias or anything. So truly, like, I'm really not about to take a trade. As you can see, FOMC, this is the type of BS that happens when FOMC is about to happen. FOMC causes for stuff like this. Like, it causes for this type of BS. So I personally, I'm going to save my balance for the next day. I just went back and realized that I have 10 days. I have 10 official days in order for me to get, to move all my accounts to things. So in these next 10 days, we need to get $9,000 across all accounts. $9,000. 10 days, $9,000. Truly, I need about $7,000. But we're really locking in. I'm about to put myself in a way where I'm going to go back to work. I'm going to go back to doing everything to help me keep that discipline of wanting to not have to work again. Because I feel like that's something that helped me before, and if I don't get that back, I'm going to mess up. So for the meantime, this is what we're going to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to post this video. Truly, I'm going to put no trade day. But truly, we had no trade. We only had disbursement.
Alright, bro, best I'll talk to you later, bro.
Alright, later, man.
Peace.
But like I said, straight displacement downwards. We have nothing really going on with it. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we get a trade tomorrow. I don't trade news, so I'm gonna just leave this for tomorrow. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace out.